Let's make the holidays merry and bring out the cranberry jello. I love jello, makes me mellow. Right on. I'm making cranberry jello fluff. In a medium saucepan, we need some vanilla jello pudding, the cook and serve kind. I've never actually used this before. And a box of cranberry jello. Who knew they made cranberry? Did you? 3 cups of water. Whisk that together and we're going to cook it and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, remove it from the heat. Then I'm going to pour that into a bowl and I'm going to let it chill in the fridge covered for over 5 hours to overnight. It's nice and firm from the refrigerator, so now I'm going to unfirm it a bit and I'm going to mix it and make it nice and creamy with my electric mixer. Fold in 16 ounces of whipped topping and 5 ounces of mini marshmallows. That's about half a bag. And I'm mixing in a cup of canned whole cranberry sauce. And now you just let it chill in the refrigerator for another hour. And it'll be ready to serve after that. Cranberry Jello Fluff. That is fantastic. I could taste the sweetness and the tartness of the berry. It's a perfect treat for the Thanksgiving season. Why couldn't the cranberries come to Thanksgiving? They were bogged down. Yeah.